Hello, hi guys. My name is Sivansan, son of Kumasamy, and my metric number is 191092356. Today, I'm going to present about executive summary and introduction for a proposal report on proposing student grab services at UNIMAP. The program we are proposing is to conduct student grab services at UNIMAP. The main idea of this program is to ease student travel from one place to another place in UNIMAP. Before we organizing the program, we have conducted a survey on student grab services from UNIMAP students from electrical engineering to get opinion from students on public transport service in UNIMAP and to see if they are supporting on this program. It is about 109 respondents that has been responded to this survey. There are a few problems that we have identified based on the respondent, and we have studied and gathered the information that we are useful to conduct this program. Those problems has inspired us to organize this program, including lack of public transportation service, poor timing, and less stop available, and most important is high risk of getting in contact with COVID-19 virus. Most of the respondents are agreed to us to organize student grab services in UNIMAP. Overall, they like this idea and hope that this program will be held as soon as possible. The purpose of writing this report is to raise awareness on poor public transportation services in UNIMAP. Besides that, we also need to have a support from student in UNIMAP before organizing this program. As a conclusion, we are hoping for everyone in UNIMAP to use public transport conveniently and save their time. Okay, let's go for introduction. Students can afford to buy their own car or motorbike at young age, and university does not allow more car or motorbike due to parking limited issue. During this pandemic, majority of students will be depending on public transport to travel from one place to another place, even though they are aware that the public transport services are poor, time consumption, and hassle for them. This also has worried the student which they have high risk of exposed to COVID-19 because they are using bus without knowing the other passengers' healthy issue. Some student has no choice. They have to use normal Grab services during this kind of scenario which will cost them to forecast or more money. The main idea of this program is to introduce student Grab services among the students in UNIMAP to ease their travel. It will be a low charge Grab services because the target customer are the students themselves. There are several research conducted previously. According to the Rayleigh, ride sourcing is a part of suite of transport options that serve previous unmet demands for fast, flexible, and convenient mobility in urban area. The author has mentioned that ride sourcing can potentially reduce auto use, ownership, and environment problems by providing an attractive alternative to drive. Therefore, the purpose of writing the proposal report is highlight that this is the best way to help the students simultaneously take care of their self during COVID-19 pandemic. This has been proved by Chan, who said that ride sharing participate benefit from shared travel costs, travel time saving from high occupants vehicles, lengths, reduce commute stress and other preparation parking and other inconvenience.